back to 20 car. The 2026 Lamborghini Gallardo Unofficial Concept storms onto the automotive stage like a phoenix reborn, draped in an aggressive yet elegant design that fuses heritage with the future. Its exterior is a sculpture in motion, razor-sharp lines, a low-slung stance, and a carbon fiber aerodynamic kit that channels airflow like a symphony of wind. The signature Y-shaped LED headlights pierce the darkness, while the sculpted rear diffuser and quad exhausts leave an unforgettable silhouette on the horizon. Inside the driver's domain, the dashboard is a technological jewel, anchored by a fully digital 14-inch curved display, seamlessly integrated haptic controls, and a minimalist, race-focused center console. Every element is wrapped in Alcantara and matte carbon fiber, with ambient lighting that adjusts to driving mode, setting the mood for either serenity or pure adrenaline. The rear cabin, while compact, offers refined sport luxury comfort. Twin sculpted seats in premium leather provide firm support, while hidden storage compartments and bespoke stitching details reflect Lamborghini's commitment to both performance and craft. Beneath the artistry lies the heart of a beast, a twin-turbocharged 5.2-liter V10 hybrid system delivering 770 horsepower to all four wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. It rockets from 0 to 100 km height in just 2.7 seconds, with a top speed surpassing 340 km height. Adaptive aerodynamics, magnetic ride suspension, and torque vectoring keep this machine glued to the road. In the supercar arena, it faces titans like the Ferrari F8 Tributo, McLaren Artura, and Aston Martin Valhalla, yet its heritage and Italian drama give it a unique crown. Estimated starting price, $280,000, placing it firmly in the dream car realm for those who value both breathtaking speed and timeless elegance.